Hi, Namaste. Today I'm going to tell you how we can make our sprite move or fly from one position to another position or maybe from random positions on our canvas. So let's start. Create. In the last video, I told you how we can make our account on web-based Scratch. So today I'm also using this web-based Scratch only. So instead of our default sprite, I'm going to just use something from the library. So let's search for it. Either you can just search directly if you want some bird. So let's take this bird. Let's remove this sprite. If you want to just give it name, you can just give it a name, maybe bird or something. And now let's add some background over here. So it's a sky. So let's see what other background we can have. There are some backgrounds which are already available here. Either you can have the backgrounds from this, otherwise you can also have the backgrounds from uploading. You can download some images and upload some images from the Google or from some other sources also. I'll tell you it in the next session. Okay, now let's see. I want to go to the costume, and if you want to do some editing, you want to change the color of some areas, you can just do it. You can just select, make it more colorful. You can do that. Let's see. So I want to fill the yellow color instead of this gray shade in it. And yeah, if you have done this, then you can also just click on the back button, or there is a shortcut key called Control Z. We can call it Control Z as well. Yeah. Okay, now in the main body part, if you want to make it more, so just choose your color, whichever. I'm just making it more orangish. I'm not sure which bird it is, but still see how it will look. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, my bird is ready. And the same color theme you have to follow on that also. Okay, now I don't know what color I have chosen there. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the pick color and I can go there. Okay, now fill the color in this, go there, yellow shade. Okay, you can choose this color picker also if you want to. So when you move over here, you can choose any color. Okay, now let's quickly fill the wings with yellow shade. I have done a little bit mistakes in filling. Okay, my bird is ready now. So let's make it fly. So what I don't want this only. I want it should keep on changing its costume. So every time, whenever we have to start, what we have to use, we have to take when green flag clicked. I want it to start from here. So I'll go to the motion and give it a fixed position. Every time it should start from here. Even if I'm putting it here, see, every time the bird will start flying over here. Okay, now let's make it fly in forever loop. I want it to fly forever. So let's go and take the forever loop. Now how to make it fly? Go to the motion and you can take this glide random position for 1 second, and also you can have wait after gliding maybe from 0.5 seconds. So how it will look? Click on it, but you can see that it's not changing its costume. So I want when it will glide, then also it should switch to their costume, switch costume this, and then you can just duplicate the blocks. I have the duplicated blocks, dove A and dove B. Okay, so if you don't like this gliding because it's not looking that good, so what we can do, instead of gliding, go to the motion. So there are two ways. I can do the glide position from, like, random positions, 1 second or maybe 2 second, but I can do this also, move 10 steps, this, glide 10 seconds, move, and again wait. But see now, I forgot this. A and B, but it's flying in a particular direction. If you want to go to, like, onto random positions, so in that way we can do it. Okay, now you can see that it is touching the walls, but it's still, like, not stopping. When I want, when it is touching the wall, it should just come on to some particular place. That also we can do. Even like we have to do an event or maybe some condition when touching the block. So that portion we will cover it in the if part. So I hope this is clear how the bird is flying or how we can make anything moving from one position to another. So I'm quickly adding one more sprite, which is going to, for which we are going to use the random. So let's take a butterfly over here. Yeah, let's make its size smaller, make it 60. Yes, okay. The butterfly color also, I would prefer that you change its color. Okay, when green flag clicked, go to events, into the forever loop. Now we are going to do glide 1 second to random position and then wait for zero point 0.5 seconds and also switch costume. There are how many costumes? There are three costumes. So instead of switch costume, when you want all the costume to be used, you can do next costume. And in the beginning, if you want some particular costume, you can do this. And as I always say, always and always give the go to position. So I'm giving this. And now I can duplicate the blocks and then this. This is flying so fast. So let's make it 2 second, 2 second. Now let's do this. Or if you don't want this, that the butterfly should fly, we can just remove the glide also. You can remove the glide and then you can do, for example, I'll just duplicate one sprite on this and instead of this butterfly, we can add some other butterfly from the library if there are. I have to see. Oh no, that's not good. Let's keep it up with this only. I'll just fill a different color, maybe some red or pinkish shade on it. Okay, in each of them, I'm just making its wing red. Rest of the color is going to be same, and I'll just add one flower here. If you are a good drawer, if you can good like good in drawing and everything, you can just add some flower or draw some flower. And I can't find any flower over here, so I just quickly draw one flower. Okay, so you can see here that I am making one flower. Or if you don't want to make it in this way by using some particular shape, you can just quickly directly also draw. Now mine is almost completed, so let it be only Control C V shortcut command I'm using to copy and paste. Yeah, okay, that's it. Now let's make the green color stem. Let's make it, choose the color. Just make it thickness 10. Let's draw this. Oh my god, you can see this is size is very much big. Okay, there is one flower and I want my butterfly is going to sit on it. So what I need to do, my butterfly wings and everything is almost same. So you use this and just show your creativity. I want you to just show your creativity, how it is looking. And I would be more happy if you share your project link on the comment box. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to put it like this. On the flower, what I need to do, I just need to do go to position. Nothing else we need. Go to, and on this butterfly, we don't need a gliding. We just need a costume change. Okay, you can see the wing of the flower and the costume color is almost same. So what we can do, we can just change its color, the flower shade. Instead of this, I'm going to make it in this way. Okay, so now the butterfly position is going to be this. Go to position we have to change because it is another butterfly. Now right click. I think this position is going to be more better. Okay, so you understand. I want you to try this. If you are facing any trouble while moving, gliding, go to, just let me know. I will answer your questions in the chat box only. Now it's looking good. Our project is done. Now final thing, we can add a decent sound. Go to the loops. In loops we can get good sounds. So I need, oh my god. Okay, let's take this. Just make it softer. So now I'm going to add this into the background coding. There is no compulsion. We can add it anywhere. And I want this to be in the forever. So go green flag click, go to the sound, play sound until done. Now let's see how it will look. Oh, I forgot to change. Haven't I added the sound? Loops, guitar, guitar, guitar. There is. Make it softer. So you all must be wondering where the sound has gone because I've added the sound on the sprite. That's why it is not here. So dance guitar and now let's see. Everything is moving fine. Okay, that was it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm coming soon with a next video in which I'll tell you more about Scratch. Thank you.